We are from class 6, Excel Public School, Mysuru. I am Niharika Chandan, she is Shrishti and she is Suchitra.
Today we are here to talk about our project Nutripots.
So, we chose to find a solution where more women participate and make some products from locally available materials. Our solution is a pot called Nutripot. This pot is an alternate for the plastic grow bags in the market. This pot is made using locally available raw materials like cow dung, old papers, and old cotton cloths. Making a Nutripot not only gives opportunities for the women in villages, it also reduces old papers and cloths from being dumped in landfills. These old materials can be put to good use in our Nutripot. All the materials used are biodegradable and add nutrients to the soil. Cow dung is high in organic materials and rich in nutrients. It contains about 3% nitrogen, 2% phosphorus, and 1% potassium. Paper and cloth add carbon when they degrade. We can directly plant the sapling in the ground without separating the pot. We made our Nutripot with 2 layers of paper so that our pot is sturdy. To stick the paper layers, we used cornstarch as a binding agent. We dipped cut paper strips in it and stuck it onto a required mold so that we get a proper shape. Once it dried, we separated the paper from the mold and put a second layer of paper. We then put a layer of cow dung mixed with cornstarch and a little amount of copper sulfate to prevent the growth of fungus. Once the cow dung layer dried, we put another layer of paper on it so as to make the pot sturdier. Once everything dried completely, we then put a layer of cotton cloth on the outside and on the inside and again dried it. We used cloth because it keeps our paper and cow dung together and makes the pot stronger and attractive. If selected, we will manufacture the pots in large scale for our school and public. We are planning to make dies of different dimensions for manufacture of pots of desired size and shape. We would further check our quality standards and plan to do a quality standard check for each pot. Benefits of our product. Beneficial use of old newspapers. Paper adds carbon to soil and gets converted to manure in soil. Dung provides nitrogen and other nutrients. Paper and cloth add carbon to soil. We can put the entire pot into the soil as the roots of the plants will find their way out of the paper pot. Local women can be employed to make these pots. It gives them good earning and they can be self-employed. We showed our Nutripot to our neighbors, friends, and farm workers. Their responses were positive, and they were surprised and happy to see a pot made from cow dung, which can be made in their village itself without spending money. Thank you.